Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a really handy trick in Google Sheets, how to easily fetch the day name like Monday or Friday from any date you've entered. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll be able to turn any date into the actual name of the day with just a couple of clicks. This is super useful when you're organizing schedules, tracking events, or even just want to know if that important date falls on a weekend or a weekday. Let's dive in. First up, you'll want to highlight the cell or range of cells that contain the date or dates you're interested in. Just click on the cell. If you have a whole column or a bunch of dates, you can click and drag to select them all at once. It's important to highlight the cell before moving to the next step, because whatever formatting changes you make will only apply to what you have selected. If you accidentally highlight the wrong cells, just click again to deselect them and try once more. Don't worry, this is a completely reversible process. Now that you've got those dates selected, look towards the top menu bar and find Format. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Here, where the magic happens, hover your mouse over Number, another menu will pop out to the side. This section controls how Google Sheets displays all types of information, from currency to percentages and, of course, date formats. From this expanding menu, you'll want to look for the option that says Day of Week or similar. The name might vary slightly based on your region, but you're basically looking for the format that turns a plain date into something like Monday or Friday. Click that option. In just a moment, you'll see your plain-looking dates transform into day names. For example, if you had 6/29/2024 typed in, it will instantly change to Saturday. This is incredibly useful because, let's face it, none of us want to pull up a calendar every time we need to know what day of the week a date lands on. Whether you're checking deadlines, scheduling meetings, or planning events, being able to see the day name right next to your dates saves a ton of time. Now, what if you want to undo this change or maybe go back to viewing the traditional date format? No problem at all. You can simply repeat the same steps, highlight your cells again, go up to the Format menu, hover over Number, and choose the original date format you were using, such as Date or Automatic. Google Sheets will immediately return the cells to their initial display without affecting the underlying data. It's as easy as changing clothes. Your information is just being dressed up in different ways, but it's always the same underneath. And that's it. With just a few simple clicks, you can toggle back and forth between seeing a date and seeing the day name in Google Sheets. This little trick can make your spreadsheets a lot clearer and faster to interpret, especially when you're collaborating with teammates or clients who might prefer seeing the day name at a glance. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips just like this one. If you have any questions or run into issues, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.